Here I have XIAOMI Redmi K30S, and today I'm going to show you how to speed up this device. So what you can do to speed up your device is to open Security Manager here, wait for it to scan your device, then tap Optimize here. You can also perform a security scan for viruses, and you can also go to the cleaner here and clear your files which you don't need. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.